Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past. In fact, did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And again, like I talked about yesterday, update's probably not the right word, more so confirmation, if anything. And the big point of confirmation came in regards to this red line here that I mapped out a couple of days ago as resistance at $1.05. And I say confirmation because, again, this morning the price actually was able to break up above it. But because we care about where the actual closing price was and the price could not maintain above $1.05, this is still definitely, a very kind of in-your-face level of resistance. If it wasn't going into today, if this previous price action wasn't, enough to convince you both there and there, then, with today's price action and how it had occurred and, all unfolded during that first 30 minutes, I think that should be the nail in the coffin that, yeah, from a confirmation standpoint, there are quite a few sellers sitting right up around $1.05. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through there and that the price can never, ever get above there. I'm not saying that at all, but according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game to not only break above it, but then be able to maintain above it. And maintaining above it's the key thing, because on a couple different instances, both here and then, as I already talked about right there, yeah, the price actually got up above $1.05. But when it came to that second part of actually staying up above it, that's where the bulls continue to struggle. So $1.05, definitely, the big thorn in the side right now of the bulls. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still well up above the, the bottom of the channel, which is right there at 94 cents. Preferably speaking, going forward, if the price can stay up above that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, that would make the chart look the best. But if the price does drop below the purple line, it's not like the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because, again, you still do have that bottom channel down there at 94 cents. So still 1 day left this week. We'll see how the bulls can close things out tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.